So guys, in this tutorial we are going to teach you how to transform any 3D object and how to manipulate it. Okay, so here we will use two kind of plugin. First one is clothwork plugin and second one is FFD tool. Okay, so both plugin are free, you don't have to pay anything. So here I am drawing a star using a pentagon. So I am going to raise it using a push pull tool. Okay, and then just make it in a group. Okay, and after group just select as a make cloth and again go cloth to subdivide it. Okay, I'm tapping range and just double click to check the subdivisions. So now I'm going to select FFD and divide on a 4x4x4 grid. Okay, here you can see this is the dotted line that will define a grid. Okay, so now you can manipulate your model using any tools like move tool, scale tool or rotate tool. Okay, so here I am using a scale tool right now to manipulate this model like that. Okay, so you can use any tools like move tools, rotate tools. Okay, so here I'm using a rotate tool here, just like that. So you can easily manipulate any 3D models from simple to complex one. Okay, so you have to use two kind of plugin. Clothwork will help you to subdivide the models. Okay, and FFD will help you to manipulate these models. Okay, so if you don't have this plugin, you can download through the link in the description, guys. And please follow, please subscribe for more tutorials. And thanks for watching, guys. Have fun.